Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about HoneyBook, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you sign up and create a HoneyBook account? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to create a HoneyBook account anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know that managing various customers and invoicing them can be time consuming, but with HoneyBook, it's a popular way to manage all of that. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in their website, honeybook.com. Check my video description. I'll try to leave my referral link there. But I've already pulled up their website and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to sign up and create a HoneyBook account, you're going to click here, start free trial. From time to time, they do run free trials. Again, check my video description for the most recent promotion. Okay, once you click there, they will ask for your full name, email, and then to create a password, or you can sign up with your Google login. That's up to you. For me, I prefer to use my email. So I'm going to go ahead and enter this information in off screen and then click on continue. Okay, once you do that, they're going to ask for your business name, company type. So you can choose from this long list of different types of companies, your phone number, and then how you heard about this, and then your website if you have one. So I'm going to go ahead and enter all this information in off screen. Okay, I entered the required information. I'm going to click here, start 7-day free trial. Okay, a quick second later, the page refreshes into the HoneyBook welcome. So you can go ahead and choose what you want to start with right here, or you can do what I do and click on skip up here on the top right. Okay, now they're going to ask you a few questions about your business, such as what's the main tool in your business? How long have you been in business? Annual business revenue. You can answer that. I don't really like to do that, so I'm going to go ahead and click on skip here on the top right. Now they're asking if I work with businesses or individuals or both. Again, I don't really like to answer that, but you can if you'd like. I'm going to skip up here on the top right. Okay, a quick second later, it refreshes into my HoneyBook dashboard. So now I can go ahead and start importing my contacts. I can go ahead and start putting together invoices and using the CRM. So there you have it, guys. If you're looking to sign up and create a HoneyBook account, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.